Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INSM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, well above average volume on it, was in the headlines and all that, and things were looking pretty shaky, especially during the opening part. It was one of those, is this thing just going to be some sort of massive gap and trap? But the price recovered nicely, pulled back a little bit, but that action has now created a couple of very interesting levels that, first off, I don't want to come across like either of these discoveries are some sort of secret power I have or special skill. Quite the opposite, actually. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are watching these same levels and wondering the same thing. And I bring that up because when a lot of people are watching the exact same areas and wondering the exact same questions, call that a self-fulfilling prophecy, call whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's what we have here, in particular with this downtrending trend line, which you can see the price is now basically knocking on the door of potentially breaking. And you factor in the last 30 minutes of the day, you can see nice volume. It's not unreasonable to think that there could be some sort of follow-through breakout that maybe gets it back up over 30, if not even $31. That remains to be seen, but that is definitely, like I said, a trend line that a lot of people are going to be watching, wondering, can the price break above that level? So that's certainly going to be an area that I'm very curious about also. And on the flip side of things, as far as levels of support are concerned, first key level of support that I'm curious about is right here at $28, and we'll call it 25 cents. You can see this was basically the point at which on a couple times this afternoon the price bounced right off that level. So it's also one of those areas where you know that the shorts are watching that, wondering, if the price breaks below there, there's the potential for it to at least potentially go down there and at least retest 27, if not lower than that. So again, that 28.30, 28.30ish, 28.25, whatever you want to call it, right around there, one of those levels that, like I said, not some sort of great discovery, but a lot of people are going to be watching these areas. So 28, 25, and then the trend line as resistance. Keep your eye on those levels, and let's see how the price reacts with it going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.